Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Spring Porter with Spring Solutions LLC. In this video, I'm giving you 10 things I wish I could say to crazy potential clients on the phone. There are sometimes I really want to be sarcastic back to some people, but I don't because you never know who's going to be a potential client. So I'm just giving you a little bit of comic relief. If you want to use some of these rebuttals, you can maybe just take out the sarcasm at the right time and maybe nuance it and present it in a way that it's not so sarcastic. But this is sort of just for comic relief. If you're interested, please stay tuned. Please note that I am not an attorney. This information is not indicated as legal advice. Hello everyone, thanks again for tuning into my channel. This video is just sort of for comic relief. There are times that I really wish that I could say these things to potential clients on the phone, but I don't because you never know who's going to be a potential client. They may change their mind and call you back and decide to work with you. So you may not want to burn bridges on the phone. People are not always professional, even though you're trying to be on the phone. But sometimes I just really want to say certain things. So here's some of those. The first one where people just don't let you finish your script. You have it down, you know what you want to say, it's a good amount, and you're like, if you would just listen, but they just hang up on you. There are sometimes I want to call them back and say, you know what, I'm not your ex-spouse. Who hurt you today? You know, I'm not a bill collector. This is money that I'm trying to get to you. But if people legitimately don't want you calling them, you don't call them back. Another one. People sometimes say, oh, it's a scam. Really? How is it a scam? You filed bankruptcy in 2017. I have your case number. I have your attorney. There was funds sent to you on this particular day. Tell me how I'm scamming you. The next one, I'll just have my lawyer do it. Your lawyer, you no longer have a lawyer. Your funds have been here since 2001. Your lawyer has no idea that you exist. Here's another one. I'll just do it myself. Really? You filed your bankruptcy case pro se. How did that work out for you? It got dismissed. So you sure you want to file this by yourself? These are the things I really want to say so badly. And you may be able to say some of these things, maybe word them a little bit differently, maybe say them and nuance them so they're not so sarcastic. But you probably could get away with saying maybe one or two of these, you know, in a nice way. Here's another one. I don't feel comfortable with giving you my address. Your address is online already. How do you think that I found your telephone number? I'm just here to verify your information is correct so I can send you a contract. People just don't realize like how much information is really out there online already. It's already electronically filed. It's for the public to see. It's public record. They don't remember that, to be honest. It's like they overlook that part. Here's another one. I don't feel comfortable with giving my ID. Really? You filed for bankruptcy and you have poor credit. What am I going to do with your ID? What am I going to get? I'm going to take your identity and do what? Buy a house? Like, what am I going to do with it? I don't feel comfortable with having my information out there. Your entire bankruptcy petition is online. It's public record. I know all of your credit card. I know that you had $300 with Target. I know that you have judgments. Your kids, their ages are on there. Where you work is on there. It's all online on the bankruptcy petition. Again, people don't realize when you file bankruptcy, all of that, if you have access to court records, it's for the public to see. And the attorneys always tell them that, and sometimes people just forget. Here's another one. Stop calling me. Work with me, and I will stop calling you once you've gotten your check and once I've gotten mine. Next. No, I don't want to do it. Really? Are you saying that you don't need the money? Can you just transfer it over to me if you don't want it? Here's another one. You know what? You were right. I tried this, and it didn't work. Can you just do it for me? You idiot, if you would have just did it the first time, you would have had your money 2 months ago. These are some of the things I wish that I could tell people. So I'm being really extra silly in this video, but I'm hoping that you find some comic relief and you may be able to actually use some of these responses, just probably not as sarcastically as I put them. These are some rebuttals that you probably could say to people that are trying to kind of wiggle their way out of the conversation and you're trying to really get a deal. So maybe sprinkle some of these in, maybe here or there, if the conversation, you know, comes up. It just may work for you and you may be able to turn them around. So I hope that you find this video funny. Maybe it's helpful to you. Please continue to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.